Horrible. Lava fountain jet engine, destroys 700 houses and thousands of lives drift back in the summer of 2018. Wendy Stovall stood and stared into the heart of an inferno. Hawaii's Kilauea volcano had been continuously erupting in one form or another since 1983. But from May to August, the volcano produced its magnum opus, unleashing 320,000 Olympic-size swimming pools worth of molten rock from its eastern flank. Dr. Stovall, the deputy scientist in charge at the U.S. Geological Survey's Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, recalls moments of being awestruck by the eruption's incandescence. Lava fountains roaring like jet engines, painting the inky blue sky in crimson hues. But these briefly exhilarating moments were overwhelmed by sadness. The people of Hawaii would suffer hundreds of millions of dollars in economic damage. The lava bulldozed around 700 homes. Thousands of lives were upended. Even the headquarters of the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory itself, sitting atop the volcano, was torn apart by earthquakes early in the crisis. Like many volcanologists who were there during the eruption, Dr. Stovall is still processing the trauma she witnessed. "Sadness is not quite the right word to describe what she feels," she said. "Maybe it's an emotion that I don't even have a word for. But not only trauma has resulted from the crisis, it has also produced something of a sea change in the way scientists and their emergency services partners are able to respond to volcanic emergencies." During Kilauea's devastating outburst, responders found novel ways to deploy drones and used social media to help those in the lava's path. They also achieved more ineffable insights into how to keep cool in the face of hot lava. And this pandemonium of pedagogical experiences will prove valuable in times to come. The United States is home to 161 active or potentially active volcanoes, approximately 10% of the world's total. When, not if, a Kilauean-esque outburst or something more explosive takes place near an American city, scientists and emergency responders will be better prepared than ever to confront and counter that volcanic conflagration. In volcano preparedness, knowing where the next socially disruptive eruption may take place is half the battle. Not all of America's active volcanoes are equally hazardous. Many in Alaska are situated on extremely remote islands. The Yellowstone supervolcano may sound frightening, but this time does not deserve to be a boogeyman. "The odds of a supereruption happening are infinitesimally small," said Emily Hooft, a geophysicist at the University of Oregon. The volcanoes of the Pacific Northwest are not dissimilar to bombs lingering in the background of populous American ports, towns and cities. Some, like Mount St. Helens, are infamous for giant explosions and superheated, superfast exhalations of noxious gas and volcanic debris.